Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 2, Motion in a Straight Line. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be spread today, and in next session we will solve the solution for these questions. Let's move to question number 1. The velocity of a particle is v equal to at plus bt square, and here a and b are constant. Then the distance traveled by it between 1 second and 2 seconds is dash. A option 3a plus 7b. B option 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b. C option a by 2 plus b by 3. D option 3 by 2a plus 4 by 3b. That is, here you should know the relationship between velocity and distance. By knowing the relationship, you can find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 2. A body is moving with velocity 30 meters per second towards east. After 10 seconds, velocity becomes 40 meters per second towards north. The average acceleration of the particle is dash. A option 7 meters per second square. B option 6 meters per second square. C option 5 meters per second square. Last option 4 meters per second square. Here you should know the formula for acceleration with respect to velocity, especially average acceleration. By knowing the formula, you can solve these questions. Let's move to question number 3. A bus is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second on a straight road. A scooterist wishes to overtake the bus in 100 seconds. If the bus is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the scooterist, with what speed should the scooterist chase the bus? Option A 20 meters per second square. B 40 meters per second square. C 25 meters per second square. D 10 meters per second. Here you should know the relationship between speed and the distance, that especially relative velocity. By knowing the formula, you can find the answer. Let's move to question number 4. The position x of a particle with respect to time t along x-axis is given by x equal to 90 square minus t cube. Here x is in meter and t is in second. What will be the position of the particle when it achieves maximum speed along plus x direction? Option A 32 meter. B 54 meter. C 81 meter. D 24 meter. Here you should know the relationship between speed and the distance, and also maximum speed. That is a condition. By knowing the condition, you can solve this question. Let's move to question number 5. A train of 150 meter length is going towards north direction at a speed of 10 meter per second. A parrot flies at the speed of 5 meter per second towards south direction parallel to the railway track. The time taken by the parrot to cross the train is dash. A 12 seconds, B 8 seconds, C 15 seconds, D 10 seconds. Here you should know the relationship just like relative velocity formula. By knowing this, you can solve the solution. Let's move to question number 6. A car covers the first half of the distance between two places at 40 km per hour and other half at 60 km per hour. The average speed of the car is dash. A option 40 km per hour. B option 48 km per hour. C option 50 km per hour. D option 60 km per hour. So here you should know the formula for average speed with respect to this. By knowing the formula, you will solve this question. Let's move to last question. A boy standing at the top of a tower of 20 meter height drops a stone. Assuming g equal to 10 meter per second square, velocity with which hits the ground is dash. That is final velocity. A 20 meter per second. B 40 meter per second. C 5 meter per second. D 10 meter per second. Here you should apply equation of motion. 4 equations of motions are there. In that one equation of motion, you have to apply. From that, you will solve the solution. Okay, thank you, students. In next session, we will solve the solution for this.